Release the Kraken!
Welcome back, fellow game designers. In our last video we went ahead and made the lower end of the tunic, and we tightened up some of the edges around the neck, collar, sleeves, and the boots. So that's nice and tailored. So now it's time to make the belt. Of course, we're going to save it, so save your work and make a iteration. So this is number 24. And let's make this belt. I'm going to go up to link here, and let's go ahead and select right around here. So F11. I'm going to get this face. Hold shift, double click. Grab this one, hold shift, double click. That looks like we have a good amount. I'm going to hold shift, hold right click, and then hit duplicate faces. Make sure you hit duplicate, not extract. You want to make sure you're doing duplicate. There we go. Hit F8 to go back to object mode. There we go. Here's our belt. Let's go ahead and hit extrude. And we will pull the blue arrow to make it a bit thicker. Throw on a division in the middle there. That should be good. And now we need to make the buckle. So to do that, let's go ahead and in the front here, I'm going to go ahead and get the multi-cut tool. Let's throw in an edge loop near the upper edge, right about there, and I'll do one toward the bottom edge, right about there. All right. I'm going to put an edge above the center and one below the center. That'll act as the little tab on the buckle. Hit Q to turn off the tool. Let's go ahead and select the faces on the front here. Get these ones and these ones. Let's turn off symmetry. I'm going to select these ones here. There we go. And let's extrude. Go ahead and pull the blue arrow. There's our belt buckle. Now we can shape it however we need, so I'll hit F9 for vertex mode. I'm going to go into here on the buckle. I'll get these three vertices, hit W, and let's just pull these in. Let's go back to object mode. And there we go. We have a belt. Let's go ahead and name it belt. I'll go ahead and select Link and name him Link again. Go to our group. You'll see we now have a group for Link with a belt and Link in it. Let's clear the history, so edit, delete all by type, history. Grab Link and the belt, Shift P to remove them from the group, and then we can just get rid of the Link group there. And I'll just update Link's name. Alright, so there's your belt. Something we should do, go ahead and grab that, hit center pivot, and there we go. So that will do it for this video. In the next one, we will start working on the UVs. So save your work, stay tuned, and I shall see you next time. Hey guys, thank you for checking out the channel. If you like that video you just watched, consider hitting that like button and hit or subscribe. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, check out the Wielders of Ether. It's my upcoming comic book. The Kickstarter will be dropping pretty soon. You can see that is getting ready here. The newsletter for that, if you go to brucebooks.com, you can sign up for the newsletter, and you will be notified when the Kickstarter drops. We're pretty excited, and we hope to see you on launch day.